the perpendicular bisector of a segment. So there's already a line on the paper. All you need is a compass and your pencil. You're going to put the needle on one end of the line, then you're going to draw an arc above and below the line. Then you're going to do the same to the other side without changing the length of your compass. Then you're going to get a ruler, and all you have to do is draw straight through the midpoints of the arcs. There is your bisector or your perpendicular bisector. Triangle with a compass. All you need is a triangle and a line segment that is obviously longer than the triangle's base from above. You are going to start by measuring the length from A to C. Then you're going to put it on the line segment and make an arc. You will be doing the same thing with angles or points A and B. So measure that out and then do the same thing but from the opposite point of the line segment. And then make an arc. Now you should have what looks like an X above a line segment. All you need to do from there is draw out the points. I missed a step. You have to measure from angles A and B. Then you also have to mark it on the line segment. So it should be shorter than the original line segment. So right there, it will be the X and then a little dot. All you do from there is get your ruler and mark it on the line segment where the midpoint of the arcs are. There's one, and here is the other. It should look like this, fairly similar, if not exactly the same to the original triangle. In the center of a circle, there is a circle on the page already provided. You're going to need a compass, of course. First, you are going to make a line anywhere in the circle. Just gotta be straight. There you go. Here's the line. Then you're going to get your compass and put it on one point of the line where it intersects the circle and draw an arc above and below the line. So you have that. You're going to do it to the other side also, keeping the same distance between the pencil and the needle. And on the other point, you are going to draw an arc, once again on above and below the line. Then you have two X's. You're going to draw a straight line through the midpoints of those. So it should look like this. You're going to do the exact same thing with the line we just made. So you're going to put the needle on one point and draw an arc above and below the line. There's that. And you're going to do it to the other side also. Then you're going to draw a line straight through those midpoints. And you should have this. Right here, the circle, in the middle, that is the middle of the circle. I'm going to construct a 30-degree angle with a compass. this is the original angle. There we will have a line segment on the paper. It can be any length. Then we will label the first point B and the second point C. Then we will put the needle on point B and make the distance any length from the point. So it will be right there. There we are going to make an arc all the way to point B and all the way back down to under the line segment. So we should have this. Then we are going to label that point, point D. From point D, we are going to do not change the length. We're going to put the needle on point D and make an arc going through point D to any length. So it should look like this. We're going to label that point, point E. From point E, once again, do not change the length. We're going to put the needle on point E and make another arc intersecting the line segment on point E. There, it should look like that. It intersects right here. We're going to label that point A. From there, we're going to get our ruler. From point E, draw a straight line to the intersection at point A. And there is our 30-degree angle.